Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to repost Instagram story. Instagram has made sharing stories in which you've been tagged extremely straightforward. As soon as someone mentions you in their story, you'll receive a direct message that includes the story. To share it on your own account, follow this video. First, open the Instagram app and tap the message icon at your screen top right corner. Find and select the chat with the user who tagged you in their story, and then tap on the story they sent you. Choose the option Add this to your story. Feel free to make any edits such as adding text or altering the background color or filters. Decide whether you want all your followers or close friends to see the story you're sharing. Following these steps, you can effortlessly repost stories. Make sure making your Instagram post more engaging and personalized. But you cannot directly share a story in which you have not been tagged on Instagram. But there are some workarounds you can do to repost such a story. Taking a screenshot or screen recording is an easy workaround when you can't repost a story directly. Save the screenshot or video to your photos and re-upload it as a new Instagram story. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.